Hey guys, Troy here. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my short little video. Just give me 5 minutes, and 5 minutes of your time might change your life. You never know, right? You just never know. I just ask you to stay till the end. I got some bonuses I want to share with you that might help you make that decision. But today I want to go over a little program that a friend of mine introduced me to about 6 weeks ago called MAP, My Automatic Pay. Wow, is it pretty powerful? Of all the affiliate programs I've done, truly, this is above all. Frank and his wife really put together a program that is automated. It's super simple. You can really actually make money in your sleep. I'm going to talk about some bonuses I have for you at the very end if you join my team. But right now, I just want to talk to you about the program, give you some insight, updates of what the back office looks like, how it operates. It has just a phenomenal amount of training information like any other program I've ever seen before. It truly has every method I could possibly think of to help you market this program to get you on that 24/7 track of spending 30 minutes a day, 45 minutes a day, and making a fully automated income of $1,000, $15,000 to on up to $10,000, $15,000 a month. It's possible, right? So let me take you into my members area real quick. I'm going to show you a couple things. All right, here's an exciting thing. If you look right here, that $247. Every time someone comes in, they'll pay a small fee of $33 to the admin. That will give you your complete back office and your automatic capture page, which I just showed you right here, right? You get to pick from 2 of them. That's my favorite one right here, all right? And I'll show you how to market this program. Very simple, very easy. I've got a dozen methods that I'll help you with. And as you market that and people are interested, millions of people are looking for a way to make a little bit extra money. You don't want to be rich overnight. Those are scams. But how about a little bit of money, an extra $500,000 a month? This program will do it, period. If you follow what I do, this program will do it. Why? Because I'm doing it right now in 6 weeks. So I know that since I barely made it through high school, if I can do it, my gosh, you can do it for sure. So here's what the exciting part is. Here's my website. I just showed you my capture page. Every time someone comes in to join this program, it's a one-off $33 to admin and $247 to the sponsor, which would be me. My link will be below, right? You'll go through that capture page. You'll get your back office set up. I'll be on the phone with you. We'll help you make that happen. Then as people come in through the traffic methods, which I'm going to help you and give you all my traffic methods I use, they'll come in and they'll join the program just like I did, right? And then you'll see this lovely $247. When Kenneth paid admin, it pops up in my members area, and within the next 45 minutes or so, when he pays the $247, I'll go ahead and approve him, right? And then he'll show up as paid, and I got the $247 in my account. However you want to use Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, whatever your choice is, Stripe. You use whatever you feel comfortable with, and I got another training on those methods as well. But everything that you need to know from A to Z is in this start here and activate your site system. I mean, it's truly a powerful system. So let me show you some of the cool updates that Frank has put into the program, right? You've got all types of new. Frank is really a cool guy. He is really innovative, and he's always looking for new things and new ways to help the team progress and make money, right? And add the benefits to the MAP system. So down here where you want to be is you want to get your name on this. There's my sponsor, Dan. And here I am on the, I guess that's the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7's my favorite number, right? The day of rest. Hallelujah. But he's always on the right-hand side. These are the announcements. You can watch the new system overview, policies that they changed, your new follow-up page, which is really good. And to the left, you got the activity of everybody that's come into the program, what emails they've opened. It's a point scale, so you can see from 1, it's just basic, they've opened an email, 2, 3, 4, 5 on up to 13 or whatever. The higher the number, the hotter the prospect is. I like this right here because not only can you set it up to get a text and an email right away, you come and log into your members area and you can see who's been in and how long ago. So you know these are hot prospects. They've been in right away, so you want to go ahead and attack them and get on them with a follow-up. This right here, right in the middle of the page, the blueprint. It's going 3 little short videos to have you set up everything. I've never had another program that was just point blank, 3 short videos, your whole system set up, and now your only goal is to drive traffic to your capture page. Capture people's name and info so that you can make these $247 sales, right? And this is live. This is a 24-hour, let's say, stats that show you what's going on. So just real quick, I've had 177 views for traffic. 45 emails have been sent out. I've had 2 new contacts in the last 24 hours, and also show up right here, okay? And earned, when I hit approve, when I get the funds from Kenneth, it'll show up right here. You can also click on this, and it'll show up what you've made in that month, right? So I've got 1235, and when I do approve Ken, that'd be another 247, so that'll put me right at $1,500 a month. Now look, you're not going to get rich on $1,500, but I can promise you this, and I've read the stats, and I've been in the network marketing where we've thrown stats at people so much it make their mind explode. But the reality is, you know where you're at right now, and you know for a fact that an extra $1,500 a month will change your life at some capacity. You ain't gonna be able to pay your house off. It's not winning the lotto, but it's a consistent way for you to put an extra $1,000, $1,500 in your pocket. That's an extra $12,000 to $18,000 a year. I mean, you got to realize how many people work, my son, millions of people work 30, 40 hours a week to make $1,500 bring home, right? So the reality is, as a side gig, you're not going to find anything better than this program. So I've got some other trainings that I'm going to do. What I want you to do is subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be putting up videos every couple of days. And here's what I'm going to do for you right now. When you join me, at this link right here will be below in the description. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do something pretty cool for you. I'm going to give you 30 days free training, free traffic to your link, okay? You're going to join my team. I'm going to be your sponsor, and I'm going to hook you up to help you launch your business. I'm going to give you 30 days traffic through my SMS Blaster, okay? So the best traffic you can get is through SMS. People check their phones every second of the day. You know it, I do it, you do it. And that is where I get probably 85% of my sales from in this specific program is through Text Blast, all right? So that's one thing you're going to get. I'm also going to give you a plethora of training. I'm going to give you ad copy. I'm going to give you places you can run ads, free and paid. I'm going to give you some of my top traffic sources. I'm going to give you things that have helped me as I've grown in this business over the past 7 years. Why wait 7 years in that learning curve? Let me go ahead and give all that to you. So instead of be a 7-year learning curve, maybe it's a 7-day or 7-week learning curve for you, where you can be in the money within the first week, start to profit. And also, this is a one-up comp plan, guys. This is powerful. The first sale you make comes directly to you. The second sale goes to your sponsor. When I first saw that 4 years ago, I was like, that's crazy. I don't like that. But as I went through and understood what that one-up comp plan is, think about this. Your second person goes to your sponsors. What does that mean? From the third person to infinity, they're all yours. So your first, your second to your sponsor, your third to infinity go to you. Now, every single person that you bring into this program that joins, they owe you their second person to be fully qualified. So if you put in 10 people a month and 4 of them go out in the first month and give you a one-up, that's 4 payments. That's an extra $1,000 a month that you didn't even do. That is free money, really. You're teaching people to do what you do. They follow you. They'll get what you got. Everybody working together on your team can make thousands of dollars a month. I mean, a disclaimer, it's not going to happen for everybody, because I can assure you, just like me sometimes, I've got into programs, got fired up for 24 hours and forgot about it, or got busy or sidetracked or whatever. But the reality is, if you do what we do, you'll get what we got. And you can take this level a lot higher than I am, right? You can be at the level of Dan at $10,000 a month. It's just about activity, right? It's a perfect side gig to make an extra $500,000 plus a month. So I encourage you to click the link below, go watch the videos. I'd love to work with you. I've got a lot of training to help you. I've got a lot of traffic that's going to help you. I'm going to give you 30 days free to help you launch this business to the stratosphere and help you and your family bring in that money that you need. You take it where you want to take it. But I can promise you, you can make 2022 rocking. All right? So God bless you, and I'll see you at the top. I look forward to seeing you. Your name show up right here. I want to see you. I want to see you right here. All right? So text me. God bless you, and I wish you the best, okay? Peace.